So,
Jeff?
So, you know, there's multiple disabilities. Yeah.
We have enough parts to let everybody start to glue, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's gather everybody and start the gluing.
Oh, okay, so I'll stop cutting then.
Well,
Well,
go
I'll
ahead
try
and
to
finish
finish
that
this
one.
off, yeah.
How would I start with a couple?
Okay,
Yeah.
so can I get everyone's attention for a minute?
Yep.
All right, so we've now got enough parts for everybody to glue up a couple of, to glue up a gum, jelly bean machine for themselves. So, so Jeff is gonna work with you to show you how to glue it up, and if you're familiar with it, you can work alongside him, and Jeff will organize that. And then the other thing that we want to do today is we need to make the wheels, the dispensing wheels, so there'll be some lathing. And I think George says we can set up a couple of lathes so we can have a couple of people turning wheels at the same time. We have one right now, and if we can get maybe one or two more, that would be good.
I'll get one more.
Okay. And then, so we can work on that, and I can help folks with that. And